Hello guys, welcome all of you. Today we have to see how to make logic circuit from Boolean expression. Before we start the lecture, do like, share and subscribe the channel for more and more fresh content. So this is our Boolean expression y is equals to a plus b. So how can we draw the logic circuit? To draw the logic circuit, we can use the logic gates. As we seen logic gates in the previous lectures, link in the description box. Do check. So see here. Y is equals to a plus b is the Boolean expression. So here a plus b means, or as we say in the Boolean algebra, a or b. Therefore this is the OR operation, means addition. This is OR operation. So here OR operation is present. Therefore draw the circuit. Here a and b, two variables are known here. So this is a, as we see a, and second is b. Therefore how can we draw the OR gate? Therefore simply this is the OR gate. This is our output, y is equals to a plus b. So this is the logic circuit for the Boolean expression y is equals to a plus b. Then see here, second one is y is equals to a plus ab. So here two variables are present, a and b. And find out operation. So in this Boolean expression, one is OR operation present, and second here a into b or a and b. Therefore AND operation is present. Therefore two operations are present here, OR and AND. And two variables are present, a and b. So first draw here a, input a, then put here this a here and draw the b here. So this a comes to this, then in a and b, therefore AND operation is present. Therefore draw here AND gate. And this a comes as it is, and in this a or a and b. Therefore in the a and b, in between those OR operation is present. Therefore put the OR gate. Therefore this is our y is equals to a or a and b. So this is the logic circuit for the given Boolean expression. Now see another, y is equals to a plus b and a plus c. Therefore, draw first A or B. Three variables are here: A, B and C, and two operations: OR operation and AND operation. Therefore, draw first A or B. Put A here, B here, or it. Therefore, this is A, this is B. Therefore, this is A plus B. Here it comes A plus B. Then draw A plus C. Therefore, A comes in this, C draw here and OR it. Therefore, here comes A plus C. Then do the AND operation. So this is AND gate. Therefore, Y is equals to our output A plus B and A plus C. So then next, A and A bar plus B. Therefore, place A here, then here A bar is present, means complement of A. Therefore, NOT gate is present here. Put the NOT gate here. Therefore, this is A bar. Then this is B. Simply addition, means OR gate is present. Then here it comes A bar plus this B. Then this A comes here and AND operation. Therefore, this is our Y is equals to A and A bar plus B. So this is all over today's lecture. Thank you.